Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to block location permissions in Google Chrome on your PC following the latest updates. If you value your privacy and want to prevent websites from tracking your location, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Once it's open, you'll be ready for the next step. Now, navigate to the site you want to block location access for. Simply type the website's address into the address bar at the top of the browser and hit Enter. This will take you directly to the site. Next, look at the address bar where you see the website's URL. Here, click on the icon that shows site information, which is usually a padlock or an info symbol located to the left of the web address. This will bring up a small menu with details about the site. From this menu, select Site Settings. This option will take you to a new page where you can manage various permissions for that specific website. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Location. Here, you'll see options for how this site can access your location. Finally, next to Location, choose Block. This action will prevent the website from requesting or accessing your location in the future. You can confirm this change by checking that it now states Blocked next to Location. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully blocked location permissions for that website in Google Chrome. This not only enhances your privacy, but also gives you more control over what information you share online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your online privacy and security. Thanks for watching.